guys, so we were just done doing like this video of like shooting, but we're actually not shooting. But we wanted to show you in the behind of the scenes of our background sound effects of shooting and like banging and all that. So here he's gonna show you guys what we do actually to make the real noises.
Alright.
Okay, so what's the first thing? Well, we just got done out of playing our biggest Fortnite game.
The first thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit this. Let's see if this is real. Alright.
That was the first one. The second one is
We're gonna use this surf foam board.
that's very dirty because we're just
let's
done
go.
playing.
And the last and not least,
The last one
is this tarp. Alright?
This tarp is what we use to actually do the really
The
sound.
best one.
Ready? Woo. Okay, so that is it for our sound effects behind the scenes of actually our videos. And there's the last one.